Good morning, children. Today we shall discuss a very interesting chapter, a lesson, the jackal and the rooster. The title of the story is given here. Before going to the lesson, look at these two pictures carefully given below. Look at the first picture. And say, what is the rooster doing? You may probably say, the rooster is singing. Look at the second picture. In the second picture, who is the jackal carrying away? ଶୃଗାଳଟି କାହାକୁ ଟେକି ନେଇଯାଉଛି? ଗେସ୍ କଲ? Perhaps a rooster. Why are people chasing after the jackal? Can you say? Can you guess? The rooster would escape him from the jackal. Let's go to read the SGP 1. My dear student, please listen to me carefully. First I read the SGP 1. There was a very big and handsome rooster. He looked like a king with its beautiful red crown. He also felt like a king. He got up very early in the morning, sat on a high place and sang non-stop, cuckoo doodle-doo, cuckoo doodle-doo. He knew that his song was much better than the songs of the other roosters in his locality, but he wanted to make his song still better, louder and clearer. But how to do this was his problem. It was a problem till a jackal suggested a way out. The jackal saw the rooster singing every day, early in the morning, but it sang, keeping his eyes open. If he would try to catch the rooster would fly away to the tree. This was what happened the other day when he tried to catch a rooster. So he came to the rooster and said, "Oh great, handsome, king-like rooster, your song will be really nice if you sing closing your eyes." Okay, my dear students, please read this paragraph silently and have a look in this page. Some key words are given here. First, handsome. Handsome means good looking. ଯାହାକୁ କହନ୍ତି ସୁନ୍ଦର in ଓଡ଼ିଆ ସୁନ୍ଦର. It means good looking, having an attractive physique, shapes, color, etc. That is called handsome. Crown. Crown means ମୁକୁଟ, ଯେଟାକୁ ରାଜା ତାଙ୍କ ମୁଣ୍ଡରେ ପିନ୍ଧନ୍ତି. Locality ମାନେ ଏରିଆ ଅଞ୍ଚଳ. Wanted ଇଚ୍ଛା କରୁଥିଲା. A desire or wish, want ର first form wanted. Then better, comparative form of good, better, ଭଲ, ଅଧିକ ଭଲ ବା ସୁନ୍ଦର. Louder, loud ରୁ louder, comparative form of louder, loud, loud ରୁ louder, ଉଚ୍ଚତର. Clear, clear ରୁ clearer, ମାନେ ପରିଷ୍କାର ବା ଶୁଣିବା ପାଇଁ ସହଜ ହେବା ଭଳି, ଯେଟାକୁ କ୍ଲିନ୍ କହନ୍ତି. ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ୍ ମାନେ ଅସୁବିଧା ବା ସମସ୍ୟା. ଏ ହାର୍ମଫୁଲ୍ ସିଚୁଏସନ୍. ସଜେଷ୍ଟେଡ୍ ମାନେ ପ୍ରସ୍ତାବ ଦେବା. ପୁଟ୍ ଫରୱାର୍ଡ଼ ଫର୍ କନସିଡରେସନ୍. ଏ ୱେ ଆଉଟ୍ ମାନେ ଅନକନଭେନ୍ସନାଲ ସମାଧାନର ପନ୍ଥା ବାହାର କରିବା। ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଆମେ ଏଇ ୱାର୍ଡ଼ ସବୁକୁ ଶିଖିବା ଏବଂ ପ୍ରଥମ ପାରାଗ୍ରାଫ SGP1କୁ ବୁଝିବାକୁ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କରିବା। ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ମୁଁ ତୁମମାନଙ୍କୁ ଏ ଷ୍ଟୋରିର ଯେଉଁ ପ୍ରଥମ SGP ଅଛି ତା ସମ୍ବନ୍ଧରେ ବୁଝାଉଛି। The story is about a rooster and a jackal. Both were clever and could fool each other. But at the end of the story, both are realized their mistakes and learned their lesson. There was a very big and handsome rooster. Every day he used to get up early in the morning and sit on a high place and sing cock-a-doodle-doo, cock-a-doodle-doo. He knew that his song was better than other roosters of his locality. Yet he wanted to improvise his song. So he wanted his song to be better, louder and clearer. However, he did not know how to do it. The jackal was watching the rooster sing every day. He wanted to catch the rooster, but it was difficult as the rooster was singing, keeping his eyes open. So the jackal planned something and went to the rooster. He praised the rooster and persuaded also and said that the rooster song can be much better if he sings with its eyes closed. This is all about the meaning of this SGP1 or paragraph 1. ପିଲାମାନେ ଏବେ ଟିକେ ଏ ପାରାଗ୍ରାଫକୁ ଆଉ ଥରେ ଦେଖ। ମୁଁ ଏହାର ଓଡ଼ିଆ ମାନେ ଟିକେ କହୁଛି। There was a big and handsome rooster. Big ମାନେ ବଡ଼, handsome ମାନେ ସୁନ୍ଦର ଗଞ୍ଜାଟିଏ ଥିଲା। He looked like a king with its beautiful red crown. He looked like, ସେ ଦେଖାଯାଉଥିଲା ଗୋଟେ ରାଜା ଭଳିଆ। ରାଜାର ମୁଣ୍ଡରେ ଯେମିତି ମୁକୁଟ ଥିଲେ ଶୋଭା ପାଏ, ଠିକ୍ ସେଇଭଳି ତା'ର ନାଲିଆ ଚୂଳ, କୁକୁଡ଼ାର ଚୂଳ ତୁମେ ଦେଖିଥିବ, ସେ କୁକୁଡ଼ାର ନାଲିଆ ଚୂଳ ତାକୁ ଗୋଟେ ରାଜା ଭଳିଆ ଶୋଭା ପାଉଥିଲା। He also felt like a king. ସେ ମଧ୍ୟ ନିଜେ ନିଜେ felt, ସେ ମନେ ମନେ ଭାବୁଥିଲା ଜଣେ ରାଜା ବୋଲି। He got up very early in the morning. ସେ ସବୁଦିନ ସକାଳେ ଉଠି ଯାଉଥିଲା। Sat on a high place, ଗୋଟେ ଉଚ୍ଚା ଜାଗାକୁ ଚାଲି ଯାଉଥିଲା। And up cock-a-doodle-doo, cock-a-doodle-doo. He knew that his song was much better than the sounds of the other roosters in his locality. He knew, ସେ ଜାଣିଥିଲା ଯେ ତା ଗୀତଟା ହେଉଛି ତା ଅଞ୍ଚଳର ବାସ କରୁଥିବା ଯେତେ ଗଞ୍ଜା ଅଛନ୍ତି ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କ ଠାରୁ ସୁନ୍ଦର। କିନ୍ତୁ but he wanted to make his song still better. କିନ୍ତୁ ସେ ଚାହୁଁଥିଲା ତା'ର ସଙ୍ଗୀତ ଆଉ ଟିକେ ଭଲ ହଉ, ସ୍ପଷ୍ଟ ହଉ ଏବଂ ଟିକେ ଉଚ୍ଚତର ହଉ, ଏ କଥାକୁ ସେ ଚାହୁଁଥିଲା। ତେଣୁ ସେ ସବୁଦିନ ଅଭ୍ୟାସ କରୁଥିଲା। But how to do this was his problem. କିନ୍ତୁ ସେ ଏଥିପାଇଁ କ'ଣ କରିବ ଜାଣିପାରୁନଥିଲା। It was a problem till a jackal suggested a way. ଯେତେବେଳେ ଗୋଟେ ଶୃଗାଳ ତାକୁ ଉପାୟ ବତେଇଲା ଯେ କ'ଣ କରିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ ବା ସମାଧାନର ପନ୍ଥା ବତେଇଲା ତାକୁ କ'ଣ କରିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ। Then the jackal saw the rooster singing every day early in the morning. ଶୃଗାଳଟି ପ୍ରତିଦିନ ସକାଳେ ଗଞ୍ଜାକୁ ଗୀତ ଗାଇବାର ଦେଖୁଥିଲା। But he sang keeping his eyes open. किंतु गंजा निजर आखि खुला रखी गीत गाउथला। इफ ही वुड ट्राई टू कैच द रूस्टर, से जदि ताकू धरिबाकू चेष्टा करे गंजाटी गछ उपरकू उड़ीଯିବ। The rooster would fly away to the tree. So this was what happened the other day when he tried to catch a rooster. तो यहीपरि दिने घटी मध्य थिला जेतेबेले से एक गंजा को धरिबाकू चेष्टा करथिला। So he came to the rooster and said, से गंजा पाखକୁ आसिला एवं कहला, ओ ग्रेट हैंडसम किंग लाइक रूस्टर, हे महान सुंदर राजा सम गंजा, तुम गीत सतरे आहुरी बेसी भल हेबो। योर सॉन्ग विल बी रियली नाइस इफ यू सिंग क्लोजिंग योर आईज। जदि तुम्हें निजर आखि बंद करी गाइब। पिला माने एबे बुझी पारथिबो वर्तमान आमे ये जो विषय पढ़िले ये विषयर कम्प्रिहेंशन क्वेश्चन संबंध में आलोचना करिबा। वर्तमान प्रथम क्वेश्चन अछि, हु आर देयर इन द स्टोरी। हु आर देयर इन द स्टोरी। ये पेज रे देखो मु प्रथम क्वेश्चन लिखी तार उत्तर मध्य लिखी। तमे माने मध्य ये उत्तर को निज खातार लिखि नेबो। ताको मु आलोचना टिके करि दउछि। हु आर देयर इन द स्टोरी। ये स्टोरी रे क्यों माने अछंती। ए रूस्टर एंड ए जैकल आर देयर इन द स्टोरी। गोटे रूस्टर और गोटे जैकल ए स्टोरी रे अछंती। द सेकंड क्वेश्चन, व्हाट वाज द रूस्टर लाइक। द रूस्टर वाज वेरी बिग and handsome. It looked like a king with its beautiful crown. Question number 3. What did it do early in the morning? It got up. Answer. It got up early in the morning, sat on a high place and sang non-stop. Cock-a doodle-doo, cock-a doodle-doo. Question number 4. What did it know? ये किपरि जानला? It knew that its song was much better than that of the other roosters in its locality. Question number 5. Is it true that the rooster's song was much better than the song of other roosters? इटा कौन सत थिला कि अन्य जते सब गंजा अछंती तांको ठारू ए रूस्टर रो साउंडटा बहुत सुंदर बेटर। Yes, it is true that the rooster's song was better than the songs of other roosters. Question number 6. What did it want its song to be? The rooster wanted its song to be better, louder and clearer. Question number 7. Did it know how to do this? No, the rooster did not know how to do this. Very simple. Question number 8. The jackal thought the rooster would fly away if it tried to catch it. Why? कहीं कि जैकल भाविला ये जदि मु गंजाटा को धरे ताले से उड़ी जीवो। Answer. The jackal thought that the rooster would fly away if he tried to catch him. जैकल भाविला जदि से गंजा को धरिबा पाई चाहे ताले से उड़ी जीवो। कारण a similar incident had happened with him earlier. ता पूर्वरु ए प्रकार समान घटना घटिछि। The jackal tried to catch a rooster one day. दिने रूस्टर को धरिया पाई चेष्टा करतला but it flew up to a tree. ये किंतु गछ को उठी जाइतिला। Question number 9. Did the jackal have similar experience before? jackal ए समान अनुभव आगरु थिला कि? Yes, the jackal had similar experience before. हाँ, jackal रो सेही पुराना समान अनुभव थिला। Question number 10. What did the jackal suggested the rooster to make its song better. Hence, to make the rooster song better, the jackal suggested it to sing closing its eyes. Question number 11. Why did the jackal call the rooster great handsome? The jackal called the rooster great, handsome, and king like because it wanted to persuade the rooster to seize the to close the eyes such that it can catch the rooster. My dear students, I conclude my first class in this topic. Now I will meet you later in my next class. Bye.